What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Stargate Finance guys. Major increases in value. As you can see, 116% up in the last 24 hours, making it 73 cents, even though the market is down quite major. As you can see, 7% down guys. Bitcoin has taken quite a major drop, going down to, let's have a look here, $21,000. So yeah, Stargate Finance has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list, as you guys can clearly see here. And yes, it has been listed on Binance, and that is one of the main reasons why it's pumping up so much right now. So is it time to buy? Is it too late? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video and looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into right now, or should you wait for it to drop back down in value? So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and we can see in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 17% up in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 118%, over the week 94%, and over the month 75%. Guys, we can see it slowly dropping in value for the past month. However, out of nowhere, today had a major pump. Not even today guys, it was around 7 a.m. this morning. As you can see, it was fluctuating around 33 cents, and right now is trading at more than double its value it was worth about 12 hours ago. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has gone up by a massive 5,600% up in the last 24 hours, making it $206 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Stargate Finance. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you can see, 92% buy. Obviously, when a coin does get listed on a big exchange like Binance, more people tend to invest into it, buy it, and yes, that's why we've got a 92% buy, and we've got a small amount of people, 8%, selling the crypto, potentially taking out their profits if they did invest into it prior over the last few weeks or months or whenever it is. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Stargate Finance at 41 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value at 76 cents, nearly double its value, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get into it. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are looking bullish, going in a positive direction, looking very steep, which means it is not realistic at all. The only reason we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value and so on. However, that is not the case guys. That's not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours. Guys, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you would know I've always said this. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to come back down in value, and the exact same applies to Stargate Finance. So I am expecting it to drop down below the 65 cents to 70 cents target over the coming hours, and towards the end of the day today, we should be back below the 60 cents target. But again, doesn't mean that from this point onward is going to keep dropping in value. We can already see a red candlestick here, as you can see, but I'm expecting it to pump up as well, potentially to around the 85 to 90 cents target over the next 2-3 hours, and then slowly start to drop back down in value. So tomorrow this time we should be back below the 60 cents target. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, exact same reason for the steep lines. I'm not expecting it to keep pumping over the next 7-8 days, of course not. Why I'm expecting is for it to again drop back down in value. So towards the end of next week, we should be back down to around the 50 to 55 cents target. Again, I'm not expecting any major increases from here onwards because it's already gone through that. That also does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green, when it's up, and days when it's down and when it's red. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, we are seeing still a bullish direction, going in a steep direction. The blue line, however, the orange line is not looking as steep. So overall, I'm expecting it to go for a slow and steady increase in value over the coming weeks. So late September to early October, we should expect an overall increase in value on Stargate Finance. But again, nothing too crazy, guys. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. And again, the crypto crash that took place, not really a crash, but quite a major drop, shall I say, that took place today. Obviously, Bitcoin dropped 8%, which is quite major. So these things are not expected. I wasn't expecting it to drop down that much. But again, it did happen, and crashes and so on. These things are not expected, guys. So any updates or any news that I can come across that can have a potential impact on the value, not just of Bitcoin, but the whole crypto market in general, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. However, if you guys want to get updated on Bitcoin every single day on what my predictions are, what my takes are, what price target is likely to hit, and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, because after that it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, guys. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'm posting daily updates and predictions on Bitcoin, as you guys can clearly see here, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. So back to Stargate Finance. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, nothing too major, and we have been trading in the red zone since late April 2022. We've just been getting worse and worse and worse. Yes, we've had a little pump up here, but I'm expecting it to drop back down in value anyway. So yeah, most of the year is very likely that we are going to carry on trading in the red zone. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Stargate Finance. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.